Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add shapes in Snapseed. If you're new to Snapseed and you don't know how to add shapes, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app on your phone. Now, click on the plus icon to add the photo that you want to edit. For now, I'll choose this photo. Now, since we want to add different shapes to this photo, what we can do is click on Tools at the bottom menu. From here, if you scroll a bit, you'll see double exposure option. Click on it. Now, click here to add the shapes. As you can see, I have downloaded different PNG format of shapes in my gallery. Now, I'll have to choose any one that I like. For now, I'll choose this one. As you can see, we have applied this in our photo. Once you're happy with your photo, click here to save changes. And just like that, we can add different shapes in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.